Welcome, today we're going to show you how to convert Bitcoin to USDT on Bitget. So the first thing you need to do is to open the Bitget app. As you see from here, you need to just click on it. After that, you need to sign into your account or sign up and make a new account. After that, you need to verify your account. So if you have on your wallet some Bitcoin and you want to transfer it to USDT, you need to go to trade. So from here, you need to click on here and then search for Pi. You need to click on this option. Now from here you need to click on sell and you need to put the options that you want. So if you want to sell like 100 Pi or 50 Pi, you need to enter the number and everything like 100 Pi as see from here. After that you need to click on sell Pi and it will be transferred to your USDT wallet. So after that you can go to your assets and see what you have as see from here. You can just deposit or withdraw or transfer the coins that you have to anything you want. So that's how you convert Bitcoin to USDT on Bitget. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.